Mag-chip cook muna tayo guys. Luto muna tayo ng pananghalian, ulam, karning manok guys. Ayan guys, mikos-mikos muna yan minsan. Guys, hinahalo-halo ko na yan guys. Kasi ginisa ko na. Ilagay ko na rin yung karning manok guys. Follow and share. Ayan na guys, heart na rin guys. Muna yan insan. Thank you for watching. Share na rin guys. Thank you. God bless to all. Yan na. Wow, ang bango. Amoy palang ulam na. Yan na guys. Yan na yung karning manok. Tapos yung sahog niya guys. Sayote. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan na guys. Yung sahog niya. Sayote. Thank you for watching.